The Pacific Northwest is an economic powerhouse. The world's fastest growing and most innovative organizations make their home here. Our economy is a diverse ecosystem of small and medium-sized businesses working alongside vast corporate entities. And the region is a magnet for cybercrime. You may think that you and your business are too small to attract attention, off the radar of hackers. If you do, you are wrong. Today, you are the target. You are the first line of defense against cyber attacks. So you need to be informed, aware, and vigilant. In this course, you will learn how to spot an attack, and most importantly, how to avoid being a victim. Together, we can enhance the security of your organization and the region.